went shopping. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you something very, very exciting. For Valentine's Day, my husband let me pick up what I wanted. For him, he picked up a new cologne. And for me, we went by the outlets in San Marcos, Texas. And we went into the Tory Burch store. So this is my very first Tory Burch purchase. I'm normally a Kate Spade girl. A lot of you guys have probably seen my Kate Spade videos. But I have been wanting a certain style of bag and a certain color, and when we walked in, Tory Burch just so happened to have it for 50% off. So that's 50% off their lowest marked price. And so I hemmed and hawed about it for a little while. I was in a funky little mood, and so I kind of put it down, went back, put it down, went back. But ultimately I decided to go ahead and get it because it was such a fabulous price. It is what I've been wanting, and it's the right color as well. So this is going to be more of a fall style bag, but I am going to probably wear it throughout all the seasons. Most often I will bring this bag out towards the fall. So this is what the Tory Burch outlet bags look like. So really beautiful bags, got the Tory Burch logo. It's actually a really nice bag. It has this nice shoulder strap that made it super easy to carry when we were walking back to the car. It's a really overall super cute bag that I will be reusing to carry things places. I like to keep bags like this because it just makes carrying other things to work or anywhere fun. So I'm going to show you how they package the bag in the outlet store. It's actually not in a box or anything. It's done in tissue paper like this, and this is just logoed Tory Burch tissue paper with a logoed foil sticker. Yeah, with a logoed foil sticker. Okay, so let's open her up. This is what she looks like. So the tag on this says that it was originally $575. It's in the color Tiger's Eye, and it's called a Robinson satchel. So the bag was $575 originally. It was actually marked down to $349. The tag says $399, but the salesperson said that they probably missed the markdown when they were doing it. And then I got half off of that, which brought it to $174.50. And then after our sales tax, it ended up being $188.90. Just looking at the bag, it's this really, really gorgeous color. Again, I think I'll be wearing this more in the fall than in the spring and summer, but I'm definitely gonna be wearing it for a little while to start. So the bag looks like this. This is a nice little shape. It's got gold hardware and a gold zipper. So you can see that. I love how the handles fold down. That's super cute. The zipper goes from the very bottom and zips all the way over. And so you get a very nice wide zip. So this bag also does not have feet on the bottom. Most people that know me know that I like a bag that has feet, but it's okay because most of the higher end bags in this design also do not have feet. So let's unzip her and see what the inside looks like. So just opening up on first glance, it's got the tissue paper and the long strap, which I will be pulling out and using. So the bag does have this long strap that it comes with, and this also has the gold hardware. I like how it has a swivel feature, and then it has an adjustable belt buckle. So this is what the belt buckle looks like without the paper. It's super pretty, and I like that it has lots of spaces for you to adjust it. But this is what the bag looks like with the handles, with the long handle attached. It's really cute. I like that it has a place for it, and it's not just attached to the handles like that. So there you go. So I don't remember if I've said this before, but this is a nice Saffiano leather. It is not buttery, it's not soft. It is a harder leather, but it should hold up really well. So I went ahead and took all the stuff out from the inside just so that you can see. It is nice and big and roomy. On the back, it's got this one pocket with the logo that zips. The lining is just brown with the Tory Burch logo on it. And on the front side, there's lots of pockets as well. You have a big buttoned compartment and then 2 open compartments. You can see that. Say hello. Hello. So that is what the inside looks like. It is nice and big. It is going to be really important that I remember to stuff this bag and put it in some type of covering because it did not come with the covering, but that's something that I typically do always. So yeah. Here is my beautiful Tory Burch bag. Again, this is called the Robinson Satchel. I got this from the outlet store. I did look online and it does look like it's not available online. It might be an outlet only style. Alright, that's her. I think I gave you a full tour of her. Expect a what's in my bag video coming up in the future because I am so excited to put her to use. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unbagging of my new Valentine's Day present, this beautiful Tory Burch satchel. I hope you enjoyed. Check out my other handbag videos if you haven't already. I'll see you later. Bye guys.